Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your OnePlus 15 using your lock screen pattern. In case you forgot the lock screen pattern to your OnePlus, the best solution would be reaching out to OnePlus customer support service and telling them about this issue, as they will be able to help you regain access to your smartphone without losing any data. But you're gonna have to prove the ownership of this device to them by, for example, showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this phone, maybe an e-receipt, maybe a box card from this phone, or anything else. But if you cannot use this method, you can still regain access to your smartphone yourself, and you have two options to do so. The first one is the factory reset operation through the recovery mode. Now the factory reset operation will erase all data from your device, and this includes your photos, your files, your applications, and everything else. So if your data aren't backed up, consider the first option instead. Now, still, the factory reset operation will let you regain access to everything on your smartphone. So if you're interested in performing this factory reset operation locally on your smartphone, I highly recommend checking out the full tutorial on our channel on how to perform factory reset operation on OnePlus 15 through recovery mode, and we'll explain everything step by step for you. So yeah, if you're interested, go ahead and check this video out. And if you want to, you can also perform this operation remotely on using any other device that you have around and you have access to it, and this device also has access to the internet. In such case, you can just open your web browser on this device, then open the Find Hub website. This is the official Google website, so don't worry. Open this website, and yeah, one thing I didn't mention: this feature will work if you see something like this, when you're trying to turn your device off. So you can locate this phone with Find My Device even when powered off, and this means that the Find Hub is enabled on your smartphone. And in such case, log into the Find Hub on the Find Hub website using your Google account that is linked to this phone. Then you're not gonna have to enter your password, don't worry. Then select your device from the list, and somewhere here you'll have factory reset this device option, or if you don't see it here, then tap on the gear icon that it should also be located somewhere here. Basically, I can just select any other device and you will see it for yourself. So here we can have this gear icon, and if I tap on it, I will see this option. So once you select this option, your device will proceed to perform the factory reset operation, and after factory reset operation, you will be able to set up your smartphone as a new one. And that's the solution. But in case you do remember your lock screen pattern, but you cannot access your device using it this time, this might be because of some third-party application or background activity affecting that your lock screen behaves. And in such case, you're gonna have to restart your device into safe mode and try to access your device once again. Now, in order to access the safe mode, you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume up key until the screen of your device goes off. And once it goes off, stop holding both of these keys, and then once you see the logo, OnePlus logo on the screen, immediately start holding the volume down button, and then keep holding it until your device boots up into the safe mode. If once your device boots up into the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. If you don't see this indicator, that probably means that you did something wrong, so you should try again. Now once you are in a safe mode, try entering your lock screen pattern, and just in case you succeed, before trying to figure out which kind of application could have caused this, go to settings, go to security and privacy, and then navigate to device unlock, then go to screen unlock, confirm this action with your password once again, and select turn off password. For some reason we have to enter the password once again. And now, in order to reboot your device normally, you just have to press and hold the power button and volume up key at the same time, and then swipe up for restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.